Let's be real. You drop serious cash on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You have seen the cameras, you felt the speed, and maybe even watched my full review where I broke down everything this monster can do. But what if I told you you're really only scratching the surface? Because this phone is hiding some awesome tricks up its sleeves. We're talking AI wizardry, next level camera hacks, voice commands, and some amazing battery features that can literally give you hours back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 30 of these hidden features that will turn your device into a powerhouse. And trust me, some of these are really awesome, so stick around till the end. Now grab your favorite snack and let's jump right in. Okay, so first up, let's activate Gemini Advanced for free. All you need is install Google One app, open it, and it should instantly notify you that you're eligible for 6 months of Google's Gemini Advanced AI. But if that doesn't pop up, you can just open the Gemini app and upgrade to premium or advanced tiers, and the offer should trigger right away. The power button is now your shortcuts to Gemini Live. Just tap the wave icon and you can start chatting pretty much about anything. It's perfect for learning, brainstorming ideas, or diving deep into research. Plus, hitting this plus sign can even analyze images right from here. Super handy, right? So you know, pressing and holding the power button launches Google Gemini as your AI assistant. But if you'd rather use Samsung's Bixby instead, just head to Settings, Advanced Features, Side button, and here you can switch the long press option to Bixby. Another cool feature is Now Brief that acts like your own AI-powered summary board. It scans your app notifications and organizes them into a clean, easy-to-read feed with relevant updates. If you want to customize it, just head to Settings, Galaxy AI and Now Brief and tap Content to include. Here you can toggle off anything you don't care about, like YouTube Shorts or social media alerts. Next up is the Now Bar, your real-time status hub right on the lock screen. Think of it as a mini command center where you can manage live activities like music, countdowns, deliveries, or ongoing calls, all without unlocking your phone. Yeah, we know it sounds like the iPhone's dynamic island. To further fine-tune what shows up here, you can go to Settings, Lock Screen and AOD, Now Bar, then tap View More under Live Notifications. From there, you can turn off any apps you don't want taking up space on your lock screen. Okay, here's the fun one. Your Galaxy S25 can actually design wallpapers using AI. But instead of typing out prompt, just pick a theme and tweak a few creative options. Here's how it works. Go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style, change wallpapers, then tap Create with AI and choose Generative. Now pick a theme and you'll see certain words you can swap to shape out the final look. It's like customizing a template instead of writing from scratch. Once you're happy with the combo, hit Generate, and within seconds, Galaxy AI will cook up a set of unique wallpapers just for you. Just tap Set and you've got a personalized AI-made wallpaper. By default, the Galaxy S25 Ultra runs at Full HD Plus resolution to save battery. But did you know you can crank it up to QHD Plus for extra sharp visuals? To unlock that crisp clarity, head to Settings, Display, Screen Resolution and switch to QHD Plus. Everything from text to videos will look noticeably sharper. Perfect if you're editing photos, watch high-res content, or just want the best possible visual experience. Just keep in mind, it uses a bit more battery to power up all these extra pixels. Samsung's new flagship has seriously bright display, like crazy bright. But here's the catch. It only hits that full peak brightness when you're out in the direct sunlight and using the default adaptive brightness settings. So if you want to unlock the maximum brightness manually even indoors, here's what you need to do. First, go to Settings, Display and turn off Adaptive Brightness. Then just flip on the extra brightness toggle right below it. And boom, you're now in full control of your screen's brightness boost. Now on the flip side, if you're using your phone at night or in a dark room, and even the lowest brightness still feels too harsh on your eyes, there's a feature called Extra Dim that's an absolute lifesaver. It basically goes below the normal minimum brightness level. To turn it on, just go to Settings, Accessibility, Visibility Enhancements and toggle on Extra Dim. You can even add it to your quick settings for easy access. If you're into a bit of creativity, this next one's a gem. Pull up the Edge panel and tap Drawing Assist. Think of it like your personal AI art studio. Here's what's cool. You don't even need to be good at drawing anymore. Just type in whatever you're imagining and the AI will turn that idea into an image. Want to guide it a bit more? You can throw in a reference photo to help shape the style, or even sketch a few lines yourself to steer the final result. It's like mixing your imagination with AI magic, and the results are surprisingly awesome. Okay, here's something super handy. Next time you tap into search bar, look for that little sparkle icon. That's your gateway to AI Composer. Just type in a quick idea or prompt, and Gemini will do the writing for you. Whether it's a message, a caption, or even a full-blown paragraph. You can even pick the tone, casual, professional, or something in between. And the best part, this works anywhere you're using the Samsung keyboard. Tired of getting bombarded with spam messages and random sales pitch? Here's a quick fix you'll definitely want to turn on. Just head to settings and type enable spam protection and toggle it on. You can also likewise block any spam callers by adding them in the block list, which you can access from the call settings. This one's pretty neat as it makes your notifications not just useful but actually look cool too. Head into settings, notifications, then tap on notification pop-up style and switch to brief. From there, pick up only the apps you really care about. You know, the ones you actually want to stand out. Now here's where it gets fun. Go back and choose an edge lighting effect. I personally love the spotlight style. And if you want to personalize more, go into color by keyword. You can assign a specific color to someone's name or even a keyword. So whenever a message or alert comes in, you will instantly know who is it from or what it's about just by the color. So with One UI 7, Samsung decided to split the notification panel and quick settings into two separate sections. And yeah, not everyone's a fan. If you're like me and prefer the classic all-in-one layout, here's how to bring it back. Just pull down the quick settings panel, tap the pencil icon, and you will see the option to toggle between separate and together. Alright, so here's a pro level feature that's super hidden. But trust me, if you're into photography, you're gonna love this. Swipe over to more in the camera app and you will spot Expert RAW. If you haven't already, download it. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, you will notice a bunch of different pro level camera options like variable aperture, depth of field, exposure, and so on. And you can fine tune all these settings just like an actual camera. Another awesome feature this phone has is the log video recording, a feature pro videographers will love. Log captures flat looking footage but with more detail in highlights and shadows, which is perfect for color grading later. To enable it, open the camera app and head over to the settings. Go to advanced video options and toggle on log. You can also choose to show log in both video and pro video modes. Now in the camera view, you will now see log toggle. Just tap on it to activate. It's a powerful tool if you are serious about video, and now it's built right in. Now this feature is super useful for cleaning up noisy videos. Open any recording video, tap the AI button and select audio eraser. It will detect different background noises like wind, traffic or chatter and give you individual sliders to adjust them. You can tweak each sound manually or just hit auto and let the AI clean it up for you, which works surprisingly well. Alright, here's a quick visual upgrade you will definitely like. It's called video brightness, and what it does is temporarily boost your screen's brightness to make colors look way more vibrant when watching videos. It works across apps like YouTube, Netflix and even default video player. To turn it on, head over to settings, advanced features, video brightness and just switch to bright. That's it. All your videos will now look brighter than before. Ever snapped a great photo only to have it ruined by an unexpected photo bomber or a stray object in the background? No worries, Samsung's Object Eraser has got you covered. Just open the photo in your gallery, tap the edit and select the more option to the right. You will see the Object Eraser tool. Simply highlight the object you want to remove, tap erase and like magic it disappears with the background seamlessly filled in. Here's a cool one for taking hands-free photos just with your voice. All you need to do is open the camera app, tap the setting icon, head into shooting methods and enable voice commands. Now you can say cheese, capture or smile to take a photo and even record video to start filming all without touching the phone. Well, if you want your phone to last longer, Samsung's battery protection feature is designed to keep your S25 Ultra's battery from aging too fast. It does this by limiting the max charge, in turn reducing long-term wear, especially if you charge overnight a lot. To turn it on, go to settings, battery protection and select maximum protection. You can then set different charge limits between 80 to 95%. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Here's a quick personalization tip that most people skip, but it's super useful. By default, your phone shows up as something generic like Galaxy S25 Ultra when you connect to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or share files, but you can actually rename it to anything you want. Here's how. Just head to Settings, About Phone, tap on Edit and type in your new name. That's it. Now your device will show up exactly how you want across all your connections. Here's a clever way to keep your home screen tidy without sacrificing your favorite widgets. Use Widget Stacks. Instead of having multiple widgets taking up space, just stack them. Drag one widget over another and they will combine into a scrollable stack as long as they are the same size. You can swipe through them anytime, and if you long press and tap Edit, you can reorder or remove widgets as needed. If the default app icons on your phone feel too big or too small, you can now tweak their size to your liking. Just long press on an empty area on your home screen, tap the little settings gear in the bottom corner, and right up on top you will see the app icon size slider. You can choose between small, medium or large, whatever fits your vibe or screen layout. A nice little way to personalize your home screen. By default, the power button on your S25 Ultra doesn't actually power off the phone. It launches Gemini or Bixby instead, but you can change that. Head to Settings, Advanced Features, Side button. Now under long press, you can switch to power off menu. Now when you hold the side button, the classic power off screen pops up just like the good old days. Now from the same settings screen, you will see that there's another option called double press. By simply enabling it, you can now press the side button twice to perform all sorts of different actions like accessing camera app, voice recorder, Samsung Notes or even any other app of your choice. The S25 Ultra is a powerful gaming phone, but you can tweak its performance using some additional settings. For gaming, just open the Gaming Hub app, tap the three dots up top, go to Game Booster and then hit the game optimization. You will get three modes: Performance, Balanced and Battery Saver. Just pick what suits your style, smooth gameplay or longer battery life. For general use, go to Settings, Device Gear and Performance Profile. Here you can choose between Standard for a balanced experience or Light if you want to squeeze out more battery life. If you're into heavy multitasking, this one's for you. RAM Plus gives this phone a virtual memory boost by using a bit of internal storage to act like extra RAM. To turn it on, head to Settings, Battery and Device Gear, Memory and RAM Plus. Pick the amount you want and your device will get a little smoother when juggling multiple apps. If you've got apps or files you want to keep extra private, Secure Folder is your best friend. It's like having a second lock screen just for sensitive stuff. Head over to Settings, Secure and Privacy, More Security Settings, then tap on Secure Folder. Set it up once and anything you drop in there stays completely locked down. Last but not the least, if you want to tweak some system-wide settings on your phone that are not available in general, you can enable developer options. Just open About Phone under Settings and tap Software Information. Afterwards, you will need to tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Now head back to the main settings screen and you will find the developer options at the very bottom on this list. And there you have it. 30 hidden features that take your Galaxy S25 Ultra from awesome to insanely powerful. If you missed my full review of this phone, where I dive deep into its cameras, performance and everything in between, I will link it right here. And hey, if you found any feature in this list useful, then do me a favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite hidden trick, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech content. I'm Vikas, you're watching Digital Feeds, and I will catch you in the next one.